What is up, A team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day. So, yes, I want to continue talking about Binance, and they did make a response here, basically denying all the allegations that the SEC had here. And as we guys know, today's a big day for Binance. A big day for Binance.us as to whether the temporary restraining order comes through to freeze assets on Binance.us. So, a lot of things are coming here, and unfortunately, you can see right here in their response that they're basically saying they tried to work with the SEC here, and the SEC did not collaborate back with them, and that unfortunately, CZ does own a lot of the bank accounts, but he is not the signer for them, and so that was one of the big issues here. However, this is probably the biggest thing I think I've seen is that Binance is now gearing up for a criminal prosecution. So this is where I put out a video yesterday talking about the Department of Justice, talking about maybe there being some criminal charges here. And now when you have CZ, Binance, and Binance.us going and adding George Canellis, who is a former chief of the Major Crimes Unit in the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Southern District of New York, and an ex-head of the SEC's New York office, he's adding them to their legal team. That should be enough to tell you that there's probably some things out there that are going to go to the next level here. You don't just go hire one of the number one guys when it comes to this in terms of George Canellos if you don't think that there's going to be anything criminal. So by doing this, you most likely think that there's going to be some criminal things being pushed forward, and they're gearing up to defend themselves off of that. That right there is scary in itself. And again, this came out by Binance. Binance announced that they were hiring this guy to come and help them through this proceeding or help them through this process. But that's enough to tell you that, hey, if you're gearing up for potential criminal charges, that means that most likely the SEC is, and again, this is alleged, going to go forward with the filing with the Department of Justice to create an indictment for CZ and Binance. And I mean, that would be detrimental to everything Binance is doing. It says right here, the charges levied by regulators included operations of unregistered securities trading platform, unauthorized crypto asset security sales, and fraud. According to the SEC, Binance knowingly sidestepped regulatory oversight, jeopardizing investors' assets in the pursuit of its own enrichment. It says the main point of the SEC's case in this claim is that Binance and its CEO, CZ, secretly ran their U.S. business. This supposedly allowed rich American customers to dodge rules that were meant to limit their access, effectively avoiding U.S. law. On top of this, Binance and CZ are accused of illegally selling their own digital currencies like BNB and BUSD, as well as other crypto-related products. It says the SEC has claimed that Binance and CZ set up two companies, BAM Management and BAM Trading, in order to dodge U.S. federal financial laws. It says, and again, you guys if you don't remember, Stark, who obviously was he's an ex-SEC person for enforcement, suggested that hiring a high-profile defense like Canellos indicated that Binance is bracing for a significant legal battle that could actually, be in terms of fraud and crime and things like that. This could go from a civil to this could go well beyond civil. This could actually go to criminal. And that's what's scary about this, is that you go from a civil lawsuit to a criminal lawsuit, and something that could follow up with an indictment to CZ. And like, that's scary right there. And I don't know what else to say here other than I think that to see that Binance went and hired this guy should tell you everything you need to know. I don't think anyone needs to say anything else. And the video I made yesterday about the Department of Justice, some people were in there saying that it was FUD and that why we're talking about this. Well, that's the thing is that now we're starting to see it sort of come to fruition here. None of us know. We only know what's in front of us today in articles or news or releases, but you could talk about it and prepare for the worst. And for me, honestly, I'm preparing for the worst when it comes to this. I mean, I don't know the outcome of this. I don't know if there's going to be a settlement down the road, but I'm preparing for the worst by this because I think the SEC is out to get blood, and CZ is the first one on that list, unfortunately. So, but yeah, let me know your thoughts down below on what you think. Do you think that this is a criminal case, this is fraud, or do you think that the SEC is just overstepping here? Let me know down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. With all that said, we're out. Peace out, everyone.